Model and risk, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. PIRX has several prediction models: LSTM, a neural network; KNN, a nearest neighbor approach; and deterministic, a formula-based model. It picks the best one available. A card with 4 items: projection source, which prediction model is being used; model confidence, high, moderate, or low; injury risk readiness, a score out of 100; and fallback reason explains if PIRX had to use a simpler model. 1. The model orchestrator checks the database for the best available trained model. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.